What's good, YouTube? We are back, and today I will be beginning to part this thing out. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing all day today. Pretty tired. So I guess I'm gonna start off and kind of walk you guys around the car, talk about everything I've done to the car, and then be a breakdown before I break it down. So let's start with the front. So, well, first, the obvious, the car is stealth PPF over tanzanite blue. That's why it looks like this. Done. Second, did the CSL style grille. Did the carbon fiber inlet pieces. RW carbon fiber lip. Yellow DRLs in there. RW canards, bringing it around to the side. Souvenir carbon fiber overlays, souvenir side skirt extension, souvenir rear lip, RSC carbon fiber winglets in the rear, RW carbon fiber DTM style diffuser, one piece, I love it. Going on to the inside. Inside here, so LCI steering wheel, Sparko QRT bucket seats with the sliders and rails, weighted shift knob, Studio RSR roll cage, and the seat delete, like Alcantara. Seat delete, you can see it, yep. And then that brings me to outside, where roll cage is powder coated to match the 20-inch BBS RS GT's 3-piece wheels, with 12 center caps, titanium wheel studs and bolts and lug nuts. Some 12mm spacers back there. Sitting in the back behind all of that is AST Moton 5100 competition coilovers, and I have SPL front tie rod ends on here. And last but not least, under the hood, the hood is RK titanium engine bay. So front mount intakes are the titanium strut bars, carbon fiber engine cover, carbon fiber radiator shroud, titanium downstar bolts to match, and then the gold wrench black line covers there as well. And I think that's it, honestly. So it's pretty much everything I've done to the car. This had a lot of different iterations. I've had 3 sets of wheels on this car since I've had it. Different looks. I had airbags on here, that sucked. I had AST lowering springs, which were great. Just different things, try different things, and it's kind of like the final form, if you will. And yeah, so now I'm going to start to part this thing out. So I think today's agenda will be to, I'm going to raise the car up a bit, maybe about 3/4 of an inch. Then I'm going to take the front bumper off, because I need to take the front bumper off to take the titanium front mounts out. So I have the stock intakes and I put all that back on. I'm gonna change out all the downstar bolts, put the stock ones back on. I have all the instructions and everything, and I've labeled the bags and stuff, so do that. Might take while the bumper's off, take the front lip off. Put the stock corner pieces back on. and see where I'm at. From there, probably might take the seats out, start putting the stock seats in, and the roll cage, and yeah, it's gonna be a labor of love, but you know, I put all this stuff on here, I can take it off. So that's where I'm at today. Appreciate you guys tuning in so far. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is going to be a fun little project as I part this out, sell parts. Let me know what parts you're interested in. A lot of this stuff is still available. I'm not going to like pressure myself to sell it, you know, it's like I'm going to wait for the right buyer. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and let's get the show on the road. Alrighty, so again, on where I'm at, so I got the liner off. Went ahead and adjusted the coilover. So raised that up I did about ½ inch. I think I'm gonna do that all the way around. And I think good there, so I'm starting to take the front bumper off, but I think what I'm gonna end up doing before I take the front bumper off is I'm gonna go ahead and swap out bolts. So I have the downstar instructions here, and I'm just gonna reverse everything. I marked the bags for each number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll just start to reverse that and keep this ball rolling. So tedious, but make it do what it do. So when I get the bolts swapped, then I'll take the bumper off. So I will probably pop these off just to start the process, because I do need to get to these, but I know these will get swapped out. So you're gonna do that. Alrighty, so front mount intakes are off. All of the titanium bits are off. Bolts are off, and stock intakes are back in. So this is how I have everything. So I got the instructions here for the downstar stuff, and all the bags are numbered. So whoever gets it, it's gonna be a straightforward install. You're not gonna be lost in the sauce trying to figure out how to install everything. And then got the titanium plates, and then the strut bar and engine cover is gonna go with the strut bar and the front mount stuff. So that's that. Thankfully, I kept a lot of my hardware and bolts and all that stuff. So I think now what I'm gonna do is get the front lip off. So I got the bumper right here. Got the bumper right here. Did notice I have some scratches underneath. So probably just gonna sell this for a pretty discounted price. You can't even see the damage. This part is all good, but you know, you see the scratches underneath. But so I do what's right, sell it at a good price, and make it easier and affordable for the next person. So that's that. I gotta put these back on, and then I will probably do the rear carbon fiber parts after that. And yeah, to see what I feel like doing. It's gonna chip away until I'm tired. All right, it's front lip off, bumper back on. Tripping over shit, got a rear diffuser. Raise it up just a smidge. Side skirts off, these are sold. Front lip sold. Still got these rear corners, took those off. So that, still gotta do all the interior. But made good progress, might keep going. Rear diffuser. I gotta find this little black piece that goes right here. I lost it, so I might leave that shit on just because I don't feel like buying the whole trim again, which is already like $200. Might just leave it on. See, under the hood is good. I'll probably just keep going. Got the steering wheel there, so I'm gonna put that back on, and yeah, we're moving and grooving. Just start it up just to make sure it's good as far as we're putting the intakes back on and all that stuff. But all that stuff is right here. So come and get it, Tampa, Florida, wherever. When you're ready, update. I got the passenger seat out, part of the rear seat delete. As you can see, I'm gonna get the driver's seat out. I got the passenger seat back in. Oops. Got the valve controller off, the exhaust, so that's good. So I got it up on the ramps here. And I also got to reach underneath, unbolt the roll cage, get that show on the road. So and then steering wheel, and slow and steady wins the race. I think I've been out here since, what time is it? It is 5:26. Probably been out here since 11 a.m. So yeah, but I got a lot done, and I'm like literally like posting stuff as I go as well. So let's see how this all turns out. I took it for a drive with stock intakes. Everything's good. Everything checks out. Good to go. No issues. So that's good. Raised the carb in the front, like I said. So that feels good. And I think we're on a good track. Actually looks pretty solid like this, but let's keep going. Alrighty, I am done for the day. Roll cage is out. Got the seats back in there. Front and rear. See, got this. So I gotta do a new carpet in the rear, and the new trunk mat in the rear, because I had to cut that one up. So I'm gonna buy a new one. I saw them on eBay for like $100. I'm gonna do that. But that is pretty much it for today. Still got a few more things to do, but make good progress. So hope you guys enjoyed this kind of breakdown, walkthrough of everything, and yeah, hopefully car doesn't stick around too long. It goes to a good home here soon, and yeah, that's project for tomorrow. Steering wheel, and I think that's it. Once I do the exhaust, but that's it. Catch you guys on the next one. Keep being great. Like, comment, subscribe. We out.